Hi everyone, my name is Muhammad Israwan. I'd like to explain my new page template. We call it Receivable Management. Uh, on this template, we have three main menus: sales, revenues, and receivables. Right now, we see the sales page. Okay, on this page we can see the summary of sales information, clients, sales orders, and sales amount. On this page, we can see also sales order and clients. Okay, we can see this is the list of sales order. If you want to add your new order, you can click this button and fulfill all data needed. Okay, you can see here. Okay, we go back to the dashboard. If you want to see the details of the order number, for each order number, you can click view. On this page, okay, you can see all of data here, such order details, and then the first invoice, second invoice, and third invoice. All of data here, you can see about the invoice number, invoice date, and up to the payment status. Okay, we go back to the dashboard menu. On submenu client, you can add a new client here. You can see all of data, and then on the client's submenu, you can see the view, of course, all of data about them. We can see here the big number or the summary of the sales order and revenue of such client. And here we can see the client order list, how many orders. And then, okay, we go to the revenue page. You can see this is the summary of the revenue. It informs about the revenues, value-added taxes, and payment receipt. On the revenue menu, we can see the list of unpaid invoices and the paid invoice. The list is sorted by due dates. You can see here. The first one, January 12th. And the information details about each invoice. We can see here, invoice details. Okay, and the last one menu is talk about the receivable. Okay, we can see the summary of the aging receivable. On this page, we can see the receivable under 1 month and then under 3 months and okay, we can see the list here. We can do the same things. Click the view for the details here. If we got the receipt from the client, we can use this button. Okay, I'll try to show the process. It's quite simple, I think, and it's useful for the general business, everything. Okay, we start from here, from the sales order. Maybe we can choose this client. On view here, okay, we can see about the digital Nusantara. Okay, we can create the menu for the first one. We can choose the billing number. This is the first, the second, or the third. Maybe we can click the first one. Okay, click the invoice. This is the invoice date. We don't have to change. Okay, we click the due date. Let's say we choose, this is 21st January here. Maybe we can put this date. Okay, no problem. Create this page. Okay, click yes and save. After save, we are going to the revenues page. We can see, where is this one, I think, right? Digital Nusantara. We can see the details of information. PT Digital Nusantara. Okay, we can see here payment status is unpaid. And then if you want to follow up the revenue, you can see here, I think this one, okay, PT Digital Nusantara, $2,640. Okay, we can click the view the details of invoice. You can see here the billing, the number, order date, invoice number, and the payment status is unpaid. And aging schedule is only 1 month. Okay, we can click payment receipt, client number. Okay, we can click the same number of due dates, no problem. Okay, how about amount? We can type the same number, 2,640. And payment, we can click transfer through the which bank. We can click the Mandiri Bank. This is Indonesian Bank, and upload the payment slip. Okay, after we upload the payment slip, we can click save. You can see the change of this section, right? Okay, payment status paid, payment amount, payment via Mandiri Bank, payment date. That's all the process. That's quite simple. I hope you can use this page template for your business. Thank you very much. Thank you for watching. See you on the new page template. Bye.